Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hades in Villainous. We'll dive into his unique win condition, focusing on how to strategically move 3 powerful titans to Mount Olympus. You'll learn to effectively manage your fate tokens, which are crucial for playing your most impactful cards. Plus, I'll share tips on how to deal with those pesky heroes who try to block your path to victory. Get ready to master Hades. Hades' primary goal is to move 3 titans to Mount Olympus. You start with 1 titan in your realm, and you'll need to play 2 more from your hand. Each titan requires a specific action to move it to Mount Olympus, often involving a move an item or ally action. Successfully getting all 3 titans to their destination secures your victory. It's all about careful planning and execution. Fate tokens are essential for Hades, allowing you to play powerful cards like your titans and other helpful allies. However, heroes from the Fate deck will constantly try to thwart your plans. When a hero appears, they often cover action spaces, making it harder to achieve your objectives. You'll need to strategically play cards like I've got a good feeling about this to move or defeat these heroes, clearing your path to Mount Olympus. To truly master Hades, prioritize getting your titans into play and moving them towards Mount Olympus. Don't hesitate to use your I've got a good feeling about this card to manipulate the Fate deck or clear out troublesome heroes. Always keep an eye on your realm and actively work to remove any heroes blocking your crucial action spaces. With these strategies, you'll be well on your way to a glorious victory.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.